This tutorial will show you how to submit your website URL correctly so that I'm able to see it, and I'm going to show you how to double check so that you know that it actually worked. So anytime we submit, it's going to be in the Be the Change module. It may show up on your homepage. They usually do. Okay, so let's say this was the very first time we were doing this. It says submit link to your website URL here. You can click on that one. This will say submit assignment if it's the first time we've done it. I've done it more than once, so it says resubmit. Don't worry about that. Okay, if you click on the submit, we want to make sure that it's a website URL. Okay, in here we want just the name of your website. Mine is going to auto-populate. However, I'm going to show you how to find it because a lot of you are copying and pasting and it does not work for you to copy and paste what's in the address bar up here. So if this is my website, if you click on the lines in the corner and then click dashboard to look at your website's dashboard, you click on show dashboard. This is my only website. You'll probably only have one. You can copy and paste this website. So copy back here, paste the website in here. And then you can leave comments if you want to leave comments, submit the assignment. Always when you're submitting an assignment, especially if you know that there is very little room for error, if I'm grading it right away, if it's the end of the quarter, but you should do this always, even if it's not. Over here in the right-hand corner where it says you've submitted, click on Submission Details. This shows me a thumbnail of my website, so I know for sure that my submission has worked. If that thumbnail doesn't appear, which it might not, you can click on View in a new tab. If it opens up your website, then it worked. To be double sure, you can always log out of your website and then because otherwise it might be doing something funky. But if you've checked, the thumbnail's there and it says just the name of your website, nothing else weird, and doesn't have some long URL with numbers and weird stuff, then it should have worked. Double check that it says Jimdo, not Jimbo, that there's no @ sign, things like that. But again, if that thumbnail shows up, then you have submitted correctly.